How to fix Dota 2 crashes or random crashes. Now, first thing you want to do before doing these troubleshooting steps is go to your task manager, right click, then from here, make sure before doing the troubleshooting step, make sure that there is no Dota 2 that is currently running. For example, this one, just simply right click and end task. After that, go to details and then look for the Dota 2 here. Right click on it and click end process tree. Now once everything is done, let's proceed on the troubleshooting steps. First things first, make sure that your graphics driver is up to date. To do so, go to your Windows icon and type Device Manager. From here, look for Display Adapters and then right click on your graphics driver and click Update Driver. Now once everything is set, go to your Windows icon again, type Firewall and click on Firewall and Network Protection. From here, click on Allow an app through Firewall and then click on Change Settings. Now, right here, you have to look for the Dota 2 option. For example, this one, you'll have to make sure that both private and public is currently checked. Now, if you don't see your Dota 2 folder here, you'll just have to manually add it. Just simply click Allow another app and then beside path, click on Browse. From here, you'll have to look for your Dota 2 folder. You can go to your local disk C and search from program files. So once everything is set, you'll just have to close everything and restart your PC and relaunch your Dota 2 game. So those are the troubleshooting steps and how you can fix Dota 2 crashing or any random crashes.